How do you buy your stocks at a better price and make money while you do it? Most people never figure this out. They watch a stock climb. They feel the pull. They buy at the top, right when everyone else is buying too. Why does your brain do that? Here's the truth. Your brain was not built for the stock market. It was built to chase movement. When something goes up fast, your brain reads that as safety. Herds move together. Movement means the group approves. So when a stock is rising, you feel calm buying it. When a stock is falling, you feel danger. That feeling is old. It is older than money itself. But here's the part that changes everything. A falling price is not danger. A falling price is a discount. Same company, same business, same future earnings. Just a lower price tag. Your brain doesn't know that. Your brain just sees red and panics. There is a tool that uses this against your own instincts. It's called a limit order. A limit order lets you name your price. You decide in advance what you're willing to pay. Not the market, not your emotions in the moment. You, thinking clearly, before the fear shows up. Let's make this concrete. Imagine a stock trading at $50. You believe it's a strong company, but 50 feels expensive to you. Instead of waiting and watching and eventually chasing it higher out of fear of missing out, you place a limit order at $45. Now you wait. If the price drops to $45, your order fills automatically. You bought the dip without needing the courage to buy the dip. Isn't that strange? You removed the hardest part of investing, the moment where fear takes the wheel. There's a second trick that works even better. It's called a cash-secured put. Selling a put option means you agree to buy a stock at a price you choose, and someone pays you today for that promise. Think of it like this. You tell the market, I will buy this stock at $45 if it ever gets there. In exchange for that promise, you get paid immediately. Cash lands in your account today. If the stock never drops to $45, you keep the cash. Nothing else happens. If it does drop to $45, you get to buy the stock at the price you already wanted, and you still keep the cash you were paid. Either way, you win. Does that sound too good to be true? It isn't magic, it's patience wearing a disguise. The market pays you for waiting instead of chasing. It pays you for naming your price instead of reacting to the crowd. Every other trader on the platform is still checking the price 10 times a day, feeling their stomach tighten every time it moves. You already placed your order. You already decided. You get to walk away. This is why professional investors don't stare at charts all day. They set their price. They let the fear-driven crowd do the chasing. And when that crowd panics and sells, guess who's sitting there? Order ready, buying their favorite company on sale. Dividends make this even more powerful. Every share you buy at a discount pays you the same dividend as a share bought at full price. A lower entry price means a higher return on every dollar you invested. The stock doesn't know what you paid for it. It just keeps paying you. So the cheaper your price, the better your deal, forever. Your ancestors needed fast reactions to survive a threat in the grass. You don't need that anymore. Not here, not with your money. What you need is a plan you set today, so your future self doesn't have to fight your own instincts tomorrow. So the next time a stock you like drops in price, don't ask what's wrong with it. Ask what discount the market just handed you. Set your price. Let the crowd panic. Let your order do the work while everyone else is still afraid to move. That's how you buy your stocks at a better price. And that's how you make money while you do it.